What's good, everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about this dope little trick with a snare that you can do to get some extra sauce in your beats. But before we get into that, I want to say the new beat tape from the homies Phatty McGinnis, DC the Beatmaker, and myself, Friendly Fire, is out now. It's a bunch of genre blending, beats with hooks, really dope trap soul vibes. There's also all sorts of other genres in there. Like I said, it's genre blending. So please go listen to that with the link in the description and let me know what you think of that. That would be much appreciated. All right, let's get on with the video. I'm working on this drill beat here. And so I'll just play it so you can hear the vibes, but I'm gonna layer this snare with this clap and add other accents and you'll see how much more sauce it adds to the beat. So let's just listen. So yeah, it's already pretty dope, but I think there could be more substance when it comes to the clap here. So we're gonna layer this snare sound with this clap. Let's hear how that sounds when we just add layers to each one of the claps. That already gives it a lot more fullness, okay? Now we can start layering accents with that snare. Up here, this button right here on the channel rack is called the graph editor. And it lets you quickly edit things like velocity instead of going into the piano roll. So you can just click that, kind of edit some of these velocities a little bit. Let's add a roll in here. So we are going to go into the piano roll. Over on this side over here, let's put it in. Let's try half step for right now. Something like that. See how that sounds. Actually sounds pretty cool. Let's hear it in context. Now, another thing we can do is we can actually cut that. Let's put it on a different pattern. Maybe we don't want that playing at all times. Maybe we could do something like this where it just plays for this part. But say we still want that layer. So we are going to actually go into another pattern and paste that same thing and just take off the ones that are not layered. That way we could still have that. And we'll put that on the other parts. Oh, we forgot one there. also to make a difference here, we'll just copy the first 4 bars of the pattern. Drag that over, because I do like how there's the break from the clap and stuff, but I think it could be dope to add a difference here. And then we'll bring in this one so it has that layer. So as you can see, that added a lot more substance, a lot more sauce, a lot more bounce just by doing a simple thing like that. So really think about layering snares and adding accents, changing it throughout the beat. Let the beat progress, evolve. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell. I really appreciate all that. Appreciate all the support, all the love. Let's continue to grow and get this shit. Yeah, much love, everybody. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Peace.